So here I am at Morningside Nature Center in a basin swamp in the middle of the park. And basin swamps are typically vegetated with hydrophytic trees and shrubs that can withstand extended hydro periods, with the primary source of water being local rainfall and runnage and seepage through surrounding uplands. As you can see, this one is also in a hydro period, and in general, basin swamps are variable in size and shape and species composition. And one of the species here is pond cypress. You can tell by the leaf shape, which are quite common in basin swamps as they can withstand the extended period of water. And basin swamps occur in large landscapes such as old lake beds or river basins or ancient lagoons that existed during higher sea levels. While mixed species canopies are common, the dominant trees are, as we saw, pond cypress. There is Spanish moss as well, and swamp tupelo, and other canopy and subcanopy trees include slash pine, red maple, dahoon, swamp bay, sweet bay, loblolly bay, swamp laurel oak, water oak, sweet gum, and many others. There are some shrubs, depending on the hydrology and fire history, such as Virginia willow, swamp dogwood, or myrtle dahoon. The soils are generally acidic, nutrient-poor peats, and although you can't see the soil, if you notice from the water, there are likely to be peat buildup and peat accumulation as a result of the water and anaerobic conditions. Fire intervals are variable and depend on factors such as dominant vegetation, fire exposure, and drought. And the interior of basin swamps may go without fire for decades or even centuries, while the outer exposed edges may be more susceptible to frequent fire. This basin specifically is situated within the matrix of a pyrogenic community, aka Music Flatwood, as is common. This is a red maple tree, as you can tell by the leaves. They're red, and these are also found in basin swamps. And as I said before, this is within the Music Flatwood, which is common in Morningside Nature Center, as you could see from my last 360 video. Cypress and pine trees are tolerant of light surface fires, but muck fires burning into the peat can kill the trees, lower the ground surface, and transform a swamp into a pond, lake, marsh, or shrub bog. Some basin swamps in Florida have been drained due to ditching or have been impounded to alter water levels. And regarding management, it's important to maintain natural hydro periods and natural fluctuations in water level. And extended hydro periods can limit tree growth and prevent reproduction, while shortened hydro periods can permit the invasion of mesophytic species and allow for increases in shrub and hardwoods, which can increase fire potential.